What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add text onto your video in Sony Vegas. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is just get a video. This is a video I did a while back. It is how to download Fortnite. There'll be a card in the top right, you guys can click on that if you want to go watch it. But today we're just adding text onto it. I did that way too fast, didn't I? Yeah. So you want to put your footage down in the channel rack, and you want to right click over here and press insert video track to insert a video track. You'll need that to add the text. So there is an easy way and a hard way to do this. I'm going to be showing you the hard way first. Okay, so for the hard way, what you want to do is go to media generator, and then you want to find titles and text. Click on that. If you do it this way, there's lots of different animations for the text. I guess it is a plus, but they're not very good animations. So we're just going to use the sample text today. Drag and drop that. Yeah, so that is the hard way. So I'm just going to delete that. Go back to project media. And then the easy way is by right clicking and clicking insert text media. And then you got it. They're both pretty simple, but that's way quicker. So we're going to change this from sample text to GysticTutorials.
Exclamation mark.
Alright, so you can resize this footage, you can change the color, you can add a stroke to this, first I'm going to show you how to resize it. So you select the whole thing, and then we're 48 right now, just go 52, add it a little bigger, and you can resize it by doing this as well. So we're going to change the color to black. You'll see why in a second. So now the text color is black. Oh, so this doesn't, dragging the corner doesn't change the actual size of the text, it just changes the scale. Anchor point, we want to be in the center. I want to go down to advance. Here you can change the background of the text like this, but there's no point because it looks bad. And here you can move the tracking to make the letters closer together and further apart. So we're just going to move that close together, a little bit closer. That looks pretty bad, but you know what it says, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, then after that we can scroll down to the outline, and here's where we have fun. I reckon this makes the text look really good. So you can change the outline width. I'm just going to leave it, actually I'm going to leave it at 10. Because 10 looks pretty good. Alright, so now we've got an outline, we've changed the color, we've changed the size. So next is the shadow. So you can click on the shadow. Shadow enabled. Now it is. So now we have a little drop shadow situation going on. So you can choose how harsh you want the shadow blur to be. We want it somewhere in the middle. Actually, no, we don't. We want it harden up a little bit, and here's where you change where the actual shadow is placed. Yeah, so this just makes the text like pop out in front of the user's face and stuff. People use it in thumbnails to make text stand out. Alright, so that is all we can do with the text. So now we've got a big fat whopping gistic right in the middle. So what we're going to do is make that bigger. And then we're gonna fade it in by going to the top corner and dragging it. 3 seconds is enough, and then you do it with the other corner. Alright, so now we're gonna watch this. Yo. Alright, no text, and then it fades slowly in. That looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. It's a pretty cool intro. Yeah, so that is it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button, it means a lot. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you have any troubles with this, please leave a comment down below. I think I covered everything, but if I didn't, leave a comment down below and I will reply to you. And yeah, that is it from me, everybody. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out.